Real estate term of the day, a deficiency judgment. A deficiency judgment happens when a property gets foreclosed and the bank lost money. Here's an example. You owe 400,000 on your house. The bank could only get 350,000. The bank lost 50,000. They will come after the borrower for the 50,000. Here's a fun fact. They have 5 years to come after you, and they're known not to come after you right away. They're going to wait. Why? You just lost your house. You lost your house for a reason. So they're going to give you time to get back on your feet. And when you get back on your feet, here comes that knock on the door. You're being served. You owe us $50,000, and you're going to have to settle one way or the other. So if you find yourself in this situation, please run to an attorney to see how you can work this out as soon as possible. And that is the definition of a deficiency judgment. Now, of course, if you have an exculpatory clause, you're safe. But the odds are none of us do, because it benefits the lender. For more tips and tricks, please visit my website. And if you're interested in a one-on-one tutoring session for the state real estate sales agents test or the brokers, go ahead and get a time and date, and I'll be more than happy to help you. Till next time.